What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz Miller and the R32 back here with another video. We've got stuff to do today. We've got some stuff to knock out, and the Skyline is indeed gonna be outside. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. You guys know the deal. Always check your oil. Check your oil, kids. Thankfully, the old RB is generally pretty good about retaining its oil. Doesn't burn a lot at all. Doesn't leak at all. Knock on wood. Look at that. Golden goodness. All right, let me stop dripping everywhere and let's get it started. Listen, if I ever just start talking in a random voice, just go with it. That's just me. That's just me, man. Bada bing, bada boom. Cold start time. Never any problems, never. All right, we're gonna let DB warm up and we're gonna be on our way. Upgrade your audio, I cannot stress it enough. Just got done with some Bojangles and now it's time to wash the car, dude. This thing probably hasn't been washed in a solid month, probably since the last time y'all have seen it washed, so it needs to be clean. Alright, so this thing is officially clean. Just soap, water, and then finish off with the wax. Dude, I don't know if y'all have tried the like quick wax or whatever, spray wax from car washes like this, but they work so well. They work exceptionally well. It's like right next for your whole car. So anyways, keep moving. I have been ripping North Carolina back roads with some mom in a GT4, or not a G, whatever not the Carrera, the other one. We've been ripping. It's been so much fun, dude. Out for a nice afternoon drive. This weather is perfect. I've not been this happy in a minute. Love it. What's going on, y'all? It's the next day. The rig needs 2 batteries. They're like cheap-ass Walmart batteries, and I'm just assuming they're dead because it's cranking really slow. When I crank it, it just stays at the 8 volts. The truck has had slow starting. That could be fuel. Probably the battery's not helping it though. We were gonna be taking the Skyline to pick up the new batteries today, but would you look at that? A flat tire. So I filled that thing up to 50 last night, dude. I gotta rebuild it. So probably this time next week, early next week, I'll take the wheel off, take the tire off, probably reseal it, check for leaks, all that stuff. So anyways, let's get these old batteries loaded up and go pick up the new ones. All right, it's getting dark, so we're gonna knock this out really fast. This little connection right here, this battery terminal, the wire was not all the way in it, so I fixed that. Hopefully that was some of our issue. And then we ended up getting 2 new 65 series, new, they're perfect condition. I ended up just trading them the old ones because they were okay condition. So let's toss these in and see if it makes a difference. All right, let's see if this thing will crank any faster than it did before. The dumb ass neighbor's dog does not like the inflatables. So he just sits out here. It's the most annoying shit in the world. Letting the glow plugs do their thing. We're probably gonna cycle it twice and then try it. Number 2. It's not too cold out here either. It should start. Closer. Well, it's on. It took a second, but it would not have done that with the old batteries. So I think they were a little low. Also for me trying to crank it and crank it and crank it. We'll see. We'll try to diagnose whatever issue is left, but turned on, should be just fine moving forward.
Ooh, really soon. Get rid of this ugly ass rake, man.
It is the day after Christmas, and I thought I would end off this video by doing a mini haul.
Number one, we got the lights for the truck. So we got the clear headlights. Ooh, crispy, super crispy. We got, let me not break that. We got the clear turn signals. Ooh, maybe these are the turn signals. Anyways, all clear up front for the truck, coming really soon.
And for the taillights on this thing, they were ordered, so they're either not here yet. I don't know why they weren't sent with this, or maybe they forgot them in the order or something. But either way, clear tails are coming for the rear of the OBS as well.
Moving into the garage, we got the 4-inch front leveling / lift kit, so that will be going on super soon. And you guys saw earlier in the video the new leaf springs that come with the lift.
And now, probably my favorite present, we got a new box. If you guys remember that old box outside, I found that behind an NTB when I worked at Advanced, and I've had that for the last 1.5 years. It was free, it was next to a dumpster, it was gonna get thrown away, and I didn't have a box, so that was my box for the last 1.5 years. You guys already know, we had to move over the stickers, and this was just in the back room back there, and I decided to add it to the top of the box for a little bit of extra storage. Let me do a quick little rundown of the new setup.
Up here, I got everything I use most often: hammer, screwdriver, flashlight, random drawer, brush, tape measure, screwdriver drawer. We got the tape, hose clamp, and liquid grease glue drawer. Moving down to our new box. Haven't found a use for this yet. Yeah, or this one. This one, we got all new pliers, vice grips, stuff like that. Moving down to our next one, we got our wrench drawer. We got our socket drawer, and then under here, dude. All right, note to self, don't put my fingers there. This is where I'm keeping all my power tools and stuff down here. I did get a drill and a smaller impact as well. So yeah, super hyped to have a new box and a couple new tools.
Very grateful. And that is where I'm gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas, and I hope you guys have a wonderful New Year. So much stuff coming up soon. You guys know this. Skyline, wagon, truck. Beyond excited, beyond excited. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys' favorite thing you got for Christmas was, big or small. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.